Buckle up, because the tech scene is about to get wild with Apple's freshest creation, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Picture improved zooming and the versatile USB Type-C port. It's like Apple heard our iPhone wishes. And that's just the start. A major design overhaul is in the works, revamping the iPhone lineup. But hold on, the competition isn't slacking off. Android contenders are ready to challenge the iPhone 15 Pro Max reign, and the Google Pixel 7 Pro is a prime example. The big question: how will it measure up to the iPhone juggernaut? Still, some iPhone 15 Pro Max details are under wraps. While leaks give us a sneak peek, iPhones keep some secrets till the big reveal. So this comparison is based on the latest info in our hands. Let's dive into this thrilling showdown without delay. Design and size. The iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 7 Pro are creating quite a buzz with their fresh designs. Apple seems ready to shake things up, with rumors pointing toward a titanium frame for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This move promises practical advantages like being lighter, tougher, and fingerprint-resistant compared to stainless steel. Plus, the iconic dynamic island punch hole design is still making a statement. Hold on tight, because the iPhone 15 Pro Max might just set a new record for narrow bezels. At just 1.55mm wide, these could be the slimmest bezels ever seen on a phone. Comparing the Galaxy S23 and S22 at 1.95mm, and even the Xiaomi 13 at 1.81mm, the iPhone's bezels are poised to steal the show, adding to its ultra-premium appeal. Meanwhile, the Pixel 7 Pro keeps its signature style intact. With its glass metal construction, subtly curved front, and a redesigned camera strip that seamlessly blends into the frame, the Pixel 7 Pro maintains the Pixel series' distinct aesthetic. You'll notice the fresh new look even as it diverges slightly from the Pixel 6 all-black camera strip. Looking at color options, the Pixel 7 Pro offers obsidian or black, snow or white, and hazel, which is gray and green. On the other side, the iPhone 15 Pro Max won't disappoint with its space black silver, a brand new Titan gray, and a deep blue choice. However, gold and deep purple might not make the cut this time around. But here's an interesting twist. Neither the Pixel 7 Pro nor the iPhone 15 Pro Max is likely to come with a wall adapter. It's a trend that's catching on in the smartphone world, so you might want to keep your charger handy. Display differences. The iPhone 15 Pro Max keeps things consistent with a 6.7-inch front display, following its predecessor's footsteps. Expect the familiar and fantastic Super Retina XDR and HDR OLED display with its jaw-dropping contrast and vibrant colors. The cherry on top is the ultra-smooth dynamic ProMotion refresh rate, making every swipe a delight. Could this mean an even brighter display than before? The possibilities are intriguing. Meanwhile, the Pixel 7 Pro boasts a 6.7-inch OLED display with a dynamic refresh rate that flexes between 10 and 120 Hz. Talk about flexibility. This display not only looks sleek but also packs a punch with its QHD+ resolution, giving it an edge over typical FHD+ displays. And here's the kicker. The Pixel 7 Pro flaunts a seriously bright screen, reaching up to a hopping 1500 nits under certain lighting conditions. Let's talk security. The iPhone 15 Pro Max takes a solo approach with Face ID, marrying the ease of facial recognition with fingerprint sensor-level security. On the flip side, the Pixel 7 Pro doubles the fun with picture-based face unlock and an integrated fingerprint sensor right in the display. Performance and software. Let's start with the brains behind the operation, the chipsets. The iPhone 15 Pro Max rocks the Apple S17 Bionic, a 3nm marvel, while others stick with 5nm. What's the buzz? More transistors and less space, meaning better performance and efficiency, like a turbo for your phone. Think better battery life and smooth multitasking. Now, the Pixel 7 Pro packs Google Tensor 2. It's not as raw as the S17, but Google's AI focus means it's a punchy player where it counts. Power isn't everything. Storage talk. Both phones offer 128 to 512 gigabytes. Hold on to your seats, as there might be a whopping 1TB iPhone. A digital treasure chest for memories. The Pixel 7 Pro gets updates till 2025, security till 2027. Now the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you may ask? A mystery, but Apple's surprises are famous. Maybe it's cool till 2028. Mark your calendars as iOS 17 hits in June for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Picture interactive widgets, Savvy Siri, and more. Even a laid-back Siri works. Don't miss the standby feature for iPhone charging, journal app for memories, sleeker typing, revamped lock screens. Exciting times ahead. Camera. Let's dive into the camera showdown. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is set to sport a 48-megapixel wide-angle camera with a twist. The sensor might grow for better low-light shots. On the Pixel 7 Pro, brace for a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera and a cool 2x camera mode that gets you an ultra-close 12-megapixel shot. For the iPhone 15 Pro Max camera, no major upgrades have leaked, so expect 12-megapixel, 2.2 f-stop aperture, and a 120-degree field of view. On the flip side, the Pixel 7 Pro upgrades its ultra-wide camera a bit. Hold tight for the iPhone 15 Pro Max long zoom, rumored with a periscope telephoto camera offering 5x or 6x optical zoom. Pixel 7 Pro's 48-megapixel periscope nails 30x zoom in steady shots. Selfies. The iPhone 15 Pro Max keeps it crisp with 12 megapixels, while Pixel 7 Pro flaunts a solid 10.8-megapixel selfie camera. And video. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is known for quality, while the Pixel 7 Pro's video is solid but not groundbreaking. Audio quality and haptics. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will continue to have twin stereo speakers that provide high-quality audio. There won't be a 3.5mm audio jack on this one. A bottom-firing loudspeaker and a second speaker in the earpiece make up the dual speaker system on the Pixel 7 Pro. The Pixel 7 Pro produces quite respectable sound despite the bass frequencies lacking some depth and richness. On premium iPhones, haptic feedback has always been excellent, so we don't anticipate the iPhone 15 Pro Max to be much different. Excellent haptics on the Pixel 7 Pro also enhance user experience, battery life, and charging. We anticipate that the iPhone 15 Pro Max battery will be in the same ballpark as the iPhone 14 Pro Max's, possibly in the 4200 to 4300 mAh region, given that the size wouldn't change significantly. The periscope camera component is slightly larger than your typical telephoto camera and may take up more internal space than before, which could result in a tiny reduction in battery capacity. The 3nm Apple A17 Bionic might be the final component needed to give the iPhone series truly excellent battery life. We don't think Apple will make any big improvements in terms of charging, therefore the iPhone 15 Pro Max probably has up to 35-watt wired charging and 15-watt MagSafe wireless charging. According to rumors, this model may also include a USB Type-C connection with faster data transfer rates. It may also be about 5 feet long. With a big 5000 mAh battery, the Pixel 7 Pro offers very respectable battery life when compared to the majority of prior Pixel phones and the rest of the top Android devices. The Tensor G2's economy and modest features undoubtedly contribute to its long battery life. If you purchase Google's Pixel Stand wireless charger, the Pixel 7 Pro can charge at a maximum of 23 watts both cable and wirelessly. In the battle of the Pixel 7 Pro against the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's clear that competition will be fierce. The iPhone, powered by iOS, stands as a formidable contender, setting a high bar for other devices. However, these enhancements come at a cost. If Apple decides to increase prices by $100 across the Pro Max series, it would mark the first substantial price jump. While this might seem steep, the upgrades are gearing the iPhone Pro Max towards the ultra-premium tier. Meanwhile, Google's Pixel 7 Pro stands as a testament to Android's prowess in 2023. Its seamless software and AI-focused hardware set it apart. A crucial distinction lies in availability. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is already in the market, while the Pixel 7 Pro embodies the future of Android. If you're eyeing an Android upgrade, look into the Pixel 7 Pro. On the other hand, if you're deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem, holding off to see iPhone 15 Pro Max performance might be wise. And that's a wrap for today's comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Links to the Pixel 7 Pro are in the description for those interested. Thanks for tuning in. Drop a like and catch you in the next one.